addition. Okay, addition.
Yes, sir.
First we will do the addition. The first question will be very basic. Can you tell me how many types of fractions are there?
Four.
What? Can you? Yeah, what are they?
Sir, equivalent fractions.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, equivalent fractions.
Hmm.
Sir, like fractions, unlike fractions.
Okay.
Sir, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction,
Hmm.
and mixed fraction.
Okay. Basically, there are only two types of fraction, and these are the like different. We can say like different properties of fractions. Okay. So basically, there are two types of fractions. Let me tell you something about the fractions. Listen it very carefully. Basically, there are two types of fraction. One is known as proper fraction. One is known as proper fraction. So can you tell me one example of proper fraction? Can you tell me one example of proper fraction? 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 6 by 11. 6 by 7. Okay, very good. Okay. 14 by 19. Very good. That's correct. That's good. Okay. Let's study something. In a fraction. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 12 by 18 is. Yes, you can. You can. You can. You can. Yes, 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 you can. Okay, numerator is less than denominator. That kind. Yes, yes, you can. Yes. Yes, that is improper fraction. Very good. Uh yes, 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 yes. Okay. In a fraction, there are two parts. In every fraction, there are two parts. One is known as numerator and the other one is known as what? Denominator. Very good. In a fraction, in every fraction, there are two parts. In every fraction, there are two parts. The upper part is known as numerator. The upper, huh. The upper part is known as numerator and the bottom. Very good. And the very good. And the bottom part is known as denominator. Okay, very good. The upper part is known as numerator and the bottom part is known as what? Denominator. So let's take some example. Let's take some examples like 4 by 5. In this case, what is the value of numerator here? 4. Very good. Here we can see that the numerator is equal to 4. And what is the value of denominator here? Denominator 5. The value of denominator here is 5. Okay. Yes, very good. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. This one is say example number 1. Let's take one more example. That is let's say 7 by 5. What is numerator here? What is numerator here? 7. Very good. Very good. Numerator is 7. And what is denominator here? Denominator 5. Okay. Okay. Then okay, very good. Let's take one more example. Example number say let's name it as example number 3. That is 5. Let's take one simple number that is 9. Okay, 9. What is numerator here and what is denominator here? Very good. Very good. Very smart. If nothing is written in the denominator, that means the denominator is always equal to 1. That's very good. If nothing is written in the denominator, that means denominator is always equal to what? 1. That means if it is written only 9, that means in the numerator we will have 9. In the numerator we will have 9 and the denominator is very good. Denominator is equal to 1. Very good. That 1. Very good. Very good. The denominator is equal to 1. Now we will go to the proper fraction. Now we will go to the Proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. When when
When
num
the numerator is less than its denominator, we write proper
ve-
fraction.
very good. When numerator is less than its denominator. When numerator is less than its denominator. When the numerator is less than its denominator, then the fraction is known as what? Very good. Then very good. Then the fraction is known as proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Yes, 1 by
So 3
2,
by 4, 5 by 7, 6
3
by
by 4,
11,
6 by 11.
6
Yes.
by 11,
Yeah, etc. That's enough.
6 by 11,
Yes, 6 by 11. I have written 6 by 11. Yes.
20 by 27,
20 by 27. Correct. Yes. That's correct. That's correct. Yes, that's correct.
703 by 225.
Yeah, that's correct. 103 by 225. Because when the denominator becomes greater than its numerator, that kind of fraction is known as proper fraction. Okay. And we have studied what is numerator and what is denominator. So it is very easy for us to understand what kind of fraction is known as proper fraction. Okay. The next fraction we'll study, that is improper fraction. Okay. What is improper fraction? Improper.
So a fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to it is called proper fraction.
Okay. One by one. I'll ask one by one. First of all, Samarjit, what is improper fraction? What is improper fraction? Very good, very good. Shashwat, next. It's your turn.
Yes, sir.
What is improper fraction?
A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction.
Very good. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator, then the fraction is known as improper fraction. Very good. A fraction, when numerator is, or we can also write it as a fraction whose numerator whose numerator is greater than greater than or equal to its denominator.
Sir, you have not written E before E after T.
E before after t. What?
No, sir. E after T in greater.
Greater. That is actually ter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm writing in computer now. I'm writing in computer, so it is very difficult to write in the computer. Okay. So sometimes you will feel like R is not written here, but R is written here. Okay. Okay. We will study together, no problem. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator, then the fraction is known as, then the fraction is known as, yeah, we can also say is called what? Improper fraction. Is called improper fraction. Very good. That kind of fraction is known as. Now it's time for example. Who will tell me the example?
Sir,
Yes, please.
Sir, I.
5 by 4. Yeah.
Sir, can I?
Yes, why not?
Sir, 100 by. Sir, 100 by 100.
100 by 100. Yes, very good. Next.
200 by 100. Sir, 200 by 39. Sir, 200 by
30.
39.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. That is correct. Yeah, that's correct. That's enough. I think that's enough. 100 by 59, etc. So there are lots of. Can you tell me how many improper fractions are there in our mathematics?
Sir,
Yes. How many improper fractions are there in mathematics? I'm asking how many numbers of improper fractions are there? How many improper fractions can you write? No, there are actually infinite. Infinite improper fractions you can write. So, cannot do you know the meaning of infinite?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is it? What is it?
तो जिस काउंटिंग का कोई अंत ना हो.
Very good. That never ends. It's still like continuously going. It's still counting. It's still continuously going. That never ends. That kind of thing is known as what? Infinite.
Infinite.
That kind of thing is the thing or the number which we cannot count. That is uncountable. I think uncountable. That is known as what? Infinite. Okay. You have understood? Okay. Okay, we have studied proper fraction and we have studied improper fraction. Okay. Now we will study about the like fraction. What is like fraction? What is like fraction? Yes, yes. One by one. One by one. I will ask everyone one by one. Samarjit, first. It's your turn. What is like fraction?
The fraction with numerator 1 is called like fraction.
No, that's not correct.
So can I say, sir?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Fractions with same denominator.
Yeah,
Fraction.
that's correct. Not with as one denominator. Different fractions. Yeah, yes, same denominator. Like many fractions with same denominators are called like fraction. That means we can define. Can you tell me the definition?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the definition of like fraction? What is the definition of like fraction? Yes, please. Please.
Fractions with same denominators are known as like fractions.
Very good. Fractions with same denominators are known as like fractions. Very good. That's correct. Fractions with same denominators. Very good. Very smart. You peoples are very smart. Fractions with same denominators. Fractions with same denominators.
Denominators.
Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Very good. Are called like fractions. That's
Like
good.
fractions.
That's good. That's correct. Uh, can you tell me? I only did three examples. Can you tell me three examples of like fractions? Only three. Only three examples I need.
2 by 5, 9 by 5 by, sir, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 9 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 9 by 5, 1 by 5.
Okay, okay, that's enough. I only need three like fractions. Okay, so that is what that is called like fractions. Now what is unlike fractions? What is unlike fractions?
Can I say?
Yes, 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 please. Yes, what is unlike fraction? What is unlike?
Like fractions.
Yes, the fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. That's good. That's correct. Very good.
Fractions.
Very good. Fractions with different
Denominators.
denominators where denominators are called unlike
Unlike fractions.
unlike fractions. Very good.
Fractions.
Very good. You peoples are very smart. Very good. Okay, it's time for example now. What will be the examples of unlike fractions?
Can I say?
Yes.
Someone say, can I say?
Yes, yes, yes. Both of
Can I say?
yes, both of you.
So 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 6 by 3, 6 by 3, 3 by 3 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 5.
Yeah, that's enough.
So
That
can I see?
yeah, yeah. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah. This no, 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 this is not going to be our like fractions because with they are with the same denominators. Okay, so it will be like 1 by 7, 13 by 15. Okay, so these are the fractions. All these fractions have different denominators. You can see that 1 by 2, 6 by 8, 1 by 7, here 2, 8, 7, 15, 9. All these fractions have different denominators, so this kind of fractions are known as unlike fractions. Okay, this kind of fractions are known as unlike fractions. Okay, now it's time for addition. Now it's time for addition. Addition of fractions. First we will learn addition of like fractions. Addition of like fractions. Like fractions. So I'm going to give you some questions, and you have to tell me the answers. Okay, and I'm going to give you the addition of. Okay, I'm going to give you three or four questions, and you have to give me the answers. Okay, I'm going to give you. Yes. What? Ankit. Okay, Ankit is a student from your class, right? Okay, he is not a student. Okay, then I will. Oh, okay, then I will remove him. No problem. Okay, he is gone. Okay, okay. Addition of like fraction. First question is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Yes, yes, you have to write it in copy. I will give you 5 questions and you have to give me the answers. No, 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 one by one. First, let me write the questions. Then you will tell the answers. Okay. Okay, then. Very good. Okay. Yes, yes, you have to write. You have to write the questions. That's important because this is our online class now. Without the question, how are you going to recognize afterwards? Hmm. Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, 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 please. Okay, very good. That's correct. That's correct. Okay, let's do it. Let's see what's the answers. Let's see what's the answers. Can you see my screen properly? Oh, okay. Yes. Uh, Aditya Raj is from your class, right? He's not the student. He's not the students of your class. Then who is Ad? Then who is? Then who is Aditya Raj? Yes, Aditya. You are from which class? Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let me solve this for you. Okay. So our questions will be like first one, solution number one. Solution number one will be for the case of like fractions, we simply write the denominator. Yes, 1 plus 3 plus 6. So it will become 6 plus 3, that is 6, 7, 8, 9. This is become 10 by 2. And when we will simplify it, that will become 2 5s are 10. So our answer will become 5 by 1. That means 5 by 1, simply we can write it as 5. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Yes, what is our next question? That is 3 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 2 by 2 by 7. Okay, we can write it as 7, 3 plus 2 plus 2. So it will become 3 4 5 6 7, 7 by 7. So 7 by 7 will cut down, it will become 1 by 1. Simple. Yes,
One by one.
1 by 1. A,
Become one.
yeah, I had told you earlier, right? If something is written in the denominator, like if 1 is written in the denominator, then we can simply write it as 9. Okay.
Nine.
Okay, okay, very good, very good, very good. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. That is question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to the next question. That is question. Yes.
Its answer is 3 by 5.
Yes.
Its answer is 2 by 1.
Okay, let's see. 6 by 5 plus 1 by
Yes, sir.
5.
Its answer is 2 by 1.
Yes. So 5 here we will write 3 plus 6 plus 1. It will become 10 by 5. So 10 by 5, if I cancel it down, it will become
And here you write 1. Sir, 0 not. Sir,
what?
3 plus 6 plus 1 you write.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 1 here. 1 here. Right.
Yes, it is 1, right? This one is 1, I think.
So it is 1.
Yeah, it is 1. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. That is question number 4. And what is question number 4? That is 2 by
8 by 9 and 8 by 9.
2 by 9, 8 by 9 plus 8 by
8 by 9.
9. So it will become
8 by 9.
9, 2 plus 8 plus 8. So it will become
Sir, it will become.
18
Sir,
by,
it will become 18 by 9.
and 9 to
18
the
18 by 9.
9 to the
Sir, its
18.
answer is 2 by 1.
2 by 1. So simply we can write it 2.
Sir, 2 by 1.
Okay. Okay. So okay, okay. Now it's time to understand the process of the online classes. Okay. ये मैंने लिखा हुआ है, आपको दिख रहा है? I have written something in my screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will send this PDF to your WhatsApp group. Okay, ये जो लिखा हुआ है उसका PDF को मैं आपके WhatsApp ग्रुप पे लिख दूंगा, and you have to write it down on your fair copy. Understood?
Sir, what? Sir, okay, what sir. Right?
That things that I have written in here, I will send it. That things that I have written here, you are watching, right? What I have written here, that is proper fraction and all. So exactly that thing you have to write it down on your fair copy. And I'm also going to give you some homeworks, and you have to do some homework also. Okay? So yes, assign. Yes, homework for today's class. Homework. I'm going to give you homework. That is addition. Homework for addition. Addition, that is number 1, 1 by 2 plus 3 by, yes, number 2, 5 by 7, 9 by 7, 8 by 7, number 3, 4 by 9 plus 6 by 9. Okay, then the next number 4 will become
Sir, it is too easy. Sir, it is too easy, sir. Sir,
uh,
you can unlike fractions.
yes,
Unlike fractions.
yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
you
yes.
can also give us unlike
Yes, I'm giving unlike fraction. Unlike fractions also I'm giving. Okay, no problem.
okay, sir.
1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 8. Okay, number 6. I will give 10 questions. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
2 by 9
Okay,
plus
sir.
3
Sir,
by
no
2
problem.
plus 6 by 7. Number 7. 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5 minus 1. Number 8. 2 by 9 plus 5. Number 9. 4 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 7 by 4. And lastly, number 10, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 4. So this is our homework for today's class, and no need to write this question. I am going to give this PDF to you after, just after the class. I will send this PDF to your WhatsApp group. Yes.
Sir, we have not completed questions. Sir, please give
No problem, no problem, no problem. Just after the class, just when I will finish my class, just after the 5 minutes, check your WhatsApp group and you will find this question on your WhatsApp group as a PDF. Understood? मैं ये सेंड कर दूंगा आपके व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, आपको मिल जाएगा, आप क्वेश्चन नोट डाउन कर लीजिएगा. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे? दैट इज 19/01/2022 एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर होमवर्क. अंडरस्टूड? और इस होमवर्क को सॉल्व करके, एंड यू हैव टू सेंड दिस होमवर्क ऑन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. अंडरस्टूड? Okay then. Okay then. Very good. Very nice of you. Thank you. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank